So I tried the chocolate gelato from Top Creamery, and it's really smooth for me, and I really like the taste.
I tried the salted caramel, and as someone na hindi masyadong mahilig sa sweets, I really liked it and super fit siya sa taste ko.
Soft, it's creamy, and surprisingly, it's good for the convenience of making it on the spot. So, highly recommended.
Hi, I try acai berry here at Top Creamery. Ang sarap niya, lasa siyang yogurt, lalo na yung chocolate dip nila, yung new product, you must try it.
I tried pistachio products po. Creamy po siya, masarap. At saka yung dip po na nilalagay, nilagyan ko siya ng strawberry. Within 3 seconds, nag-set po agad yung toppings na nilagay ko. Kaya kinuha ko agad yung number daw ng chef. In case po, pag kailangan ko po siya. So, madali po siya makontak.
Interesting. And the sauce is white chocolate.
Okay, I've tried the pistachio flavor. It's less sweet, more pistachio taste. It lingers in our taste buds. It's 2 thumbs up.
Tinikman namin yung ube frappe ng Top Creamery and it's so creamy.
Try po namin itong gelato po niyo. Masarap po siya and very recommended po siya for any startup business.
Opo.
Yes po. Di po siya nakakaumay. So, recommended po siya para sa mga taong gusto ng ice cream pero ayaw naman sa sobrang tamis niya.
Pistachio gelato po ito. I like it kasi sakta lang yung creaminess niya and yung sweetness.
Alam niyo guys, sobrang sarap ng coffee na natikman ko. This is, I think, Melano blend. And sobrang sarap. So, ang dami ding nagtatry ng mga iba-ibang products nila. I saw someone na sobrang nasarapan dun sa gelato nila, dun sa mga ice creams nila, and yung mga samples ng drinks. So, everyone is here trying them. And I can see na sobrang saya nila.
We just tried the Top Creamery ube frappe. For me, it's a nice way to end a meal for me. It wasn't too sweet. It was just the right amount of masa for ube as well.
Yeah, it's very refreshing. It's really good. You can taste the ube.
Lasang-lasa niya yung flavor, which is yung pistachio. Then, hindi siya masyadong matamis. Hindi siya nakakaumay.
This one naman, yung salted caramel, hindi sobrang tamis. Tapos yung consistency niya, smooth lang din. Hindi siya nakakaumay.
Hindi nakakaumay. Sarap.
Hindi ko na na-share. So try mo sana, pero nice. Introduce lang namin. We own a coffee shop kasi sa Taytay Rizal. And it's turning 3 years now. So, we use actually some of the Top Creamery ingredients.
Especially yung matcha na Top Creamery. And sobrang marirecommend ko siya kasi yung mga customer namin na hindi masyadong yung matapang sa matcha. Meron kasi mga customer na more on nasa sweet side sila ng matcha and medyo creamy. So yun yung maganda sa matcha nila, sobrang creamy. And personally ako nagustuhan ko talaga siya kaya pinili ko yung Top Creamery.
So try to visit Un Cafe sa may Taytay Rizal, guys. Thank you, thank you.
Actually, this one, the blueberry, nung tinikman ko, hindi siya like lasang artificial. I really actually like the taste. Kasi most of the products that usually na natatry ko, when it comes to like fruits na ice cream, it's really so sweet. But this one, it's actually really good. I would recommend.
10 out of 10 would recommend.